Here's how to set up your EarthBox Ready-to-Grow Kit. Assemble the EarthBox container gardening system. Place casters in the sockets on the bottom of the container. Then, place the aeration screen in the box and place the water-filled tube through the circular hole on the aeration screen. Pack corners firmly with peat-based growing media. Add growing media until 2 inches from top. Moisten lightly. Mix in 1 pound of dolomite. Add enough peat-based growing media to bring the inside contents level with the top of the EarthBox. Moisten lightly. Create a 2-inch deep trough for fertilizer placement. Place 1 pound of fertilizer in trough. Add peat-based growing media on top of the fertilizer strip to create a 5-inch mound, overfilling the box. Place mulch cover on top of EarthBox. Cut holes in mulch cover for plants.
Plant seeds or seedlings and water the base of each plant.
Fill with approximately 3 gallons of water through the water-fill tube. The reservoir is full once water flows from the overflow drain. Harvest and enjoy.